Sliding patio doors Conway offer a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. These doors are perfect for homeowners looking to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed views of their backyard or garden. Sliding patio doors. Conway, Arkansas are available in various materials, including glass, aluminum, and vinyl, each offering unique benefits and styles. French patio doors Conway provide a classic and elegant look, perfect for those who appreciate traditional design elements. These doors are not only beautiful but also functional, offering easy access to outdoor areas while maintaining energy efficiency. French patio doors Conway can be customized to fit any home style, ensuring a perfect match for your existing decor. Patio door installation. Conway is a crucial service for homeowners looking to upgrade their outdoor access points. Professional installation ensures that your doors are fitted correctly, providing optimal performance and longevity. Patio door installation. Conway services include everything from initial consultation to final adjustments, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Energy-efficient patio doors. Conway are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These doors are designed with advanced insulation and weatherproofing features, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Energy-efficient patio doors. Conway are available in various styles and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect option for your needs. Custom patio doors. Conway offer homeowners the opportunity to create a unique and personalized entryway to their outdoor spaces. Whether you prefer sliding, French, or another style, custom patio doors. Conway can be tailored to your specific preferences and requirements. With a wide range of materials, finishes, and hardware options, the possibilities are endless. Patio door replacement Conway is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your doors. Over time, wear and tear can lead to issues such as sticking, drafts, or broken locks. Patio door replacement Conway services address these problems, ensuring your doors operate smoothly and securely. Patio door replacement Conway is a great option for homeowners looking to upgrade their existing doors. Whether your current doors are outdated, damaged, or simply not meeting your needs, patio door replacement Conway services can provide a fresh, modern solution. With a variety of styles and materials to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your home. Glass patio doors. Conway offer a sleek and modern look, perfect for contemporary homes. These doors provide excellent visibility and natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Glass patio doors. Conway are available in various designs, including sliding and French styles, allowing you to choose the best option for your space. Aluminum patio doors. Conway, Arkansas are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These doors are resistant to rust and corrosion, making them an ideal choice for homeowners in Conway, AR. Aluminum patio doors. Conway offer a sleek, modern appearance and can be customized with various finishes and hardware options.